So I know this is gonna stir up ruffle up some feathers, and the Motec boys are gonna start crying. As you can see, the car currently on a Motec M150. With trying to develop a race program and bringing Josh on board comes trying new things, developing things. So one of the first things that we're doing with bringing Josh on board with our race program is a Link. It's nothing against Motec. There's nothing wrong with this Motec. It ran the car, did everything it was supposed to do. But being that we work very closely with Link, their new G5 has been very successful with us, and we're working with them to help develop the G5 and the Link products to push more into the drag racing. We got a couple of G5s on a couple of our cars around here. That being said, we are removing the Motec and putting on the Link G5. They do use the same ECU header. A lot of the newer ECUs are switching over and using like these Super Seal terminals. So if we look here, a lot of these connectors are already the exact ones that are needed for the Link. So it plugs right in. The pinout is obviously not the same. So the only thing that requires us to do is me to move some things around. And ultimately, if we ever want to put the Motec back in the car, we can very easily just by moving the pins back around to suit the Motec. But what we're going to be doing is putting the G5 on the car. Again, it's nothing against Motec. You know, Motec is a very good product. It does work very well. But like I said before, we want to push this product and prove that it is a worthy contender and it can work very well in the drag racing motorsports area. These ECUs are known more for being used in the drift scene. They have very good quality hardware. Like I said, they are trying to make a push towards entering the drag racing area. We are here to help that happen, help them, develop the product more to better suit the drag racing community. We'll bring another ECU on board. That's a good option for the drag race. So I'll get working on repinning this stuff to make it work. I'll be running a Link.
Can we real quick though address the hole in your shirt that you're wearing for this video?
What?
Yeah, you have a hole in your Garrett shirt, and I know you love
Where
Garrett. It's on your belly on the other side.
Where is it?
Yeah, because people are be in the comments talking about that hole.
Hey, yo!
Can't even get a t-shirt.
I ripped it.
Did you rip it?
Walking by something. I don't remember getting yoked up.
Legit don't want to miss this. All our phones are going off for flash flood warning.
Yeah.
We're about to... I took a bath. We're about to get ready to take Josh to Jason for some Thai pie. She in here. Like swimwear. I said she in there like swimwear.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. With this? Really? Oh, what? You want toweling? Yes. Oh, she loved it. Dude, there's so much water on the road. This is what we do here.
Yeah.